Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel, Lena Talk. In this video, we have an interesting conversation about why not school. Practicing English with these conversations can help us learn new words, short sentences, and real-life situations. I hope you enjoy it. Let's get started.
Good morning, Anna. Time for school.
No, Dad, I don't want to go.
What? Why not?
You didn't buy me a new phone.
Phone? School is more important than a phone.
But all my friends have new phones.
Anna, school is not about phones. It's about learning.
But I feel different. I feel left out.
I understand, but being smart is better than having a phone.
I don't agree. I want a phone first.
Anna, this is nonsense. You can't skip school for a phone.
But, Dad, I don't like my old one.
If you study hard, maybe one day I will buy you a new phone.
Really? If I study more?
Yes, but you must show me you are serious.
Okay, I'll try.
Good girl. Let's go to school now.
Okay, Dad. Thank you.
In this conversation, we learned that sometimes children don't want to go to school because of small problems. But parents remind us that education is very important. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more interesting videos. See you next time.